What's up, YouTubers? Today I'm going to be showing a video about my new remote control car. Yeah, I'm only 10, so here it is with a remote control motorcycle, I should say. Kind of got damaged here when I was using it. You can see this. On this side, not really. So, I'll be test driving this. Kind of got scraped there and there when I was using it out in the street. Still good quality, still nice to use. I had this for like a couple of months already. No, days, I meant. So when you turn this button around, the lights turn on. And when you use this, when you turn, its body moves. So yeah, this is a nice thing to use. So nice, the lights turn on when you use this. So I'm going to show you a just quick eagle eye view of this. So that was this nice picture. So now let's do the... So that's where the controls are. And I'll test drive this right now.
So we're going here. We're test driving. We're test driving here.
So I stopped it. Now let's make it go. Okay, go all the way straight. So let's go.
Yeah, it's just a little bit too fast.
Yeah. Okay, give it a push.
Wow, look at it go.
Sometimes it gets a little stuck. I can make it go straight right here.
Dean, does the sand make it stuck? Does the sand make it stuck?
I can do donuts.
Dean!
Yeah, it does kind of.
He's doing donut rounds.
That was a little bit of our stuff. So I'll just do one more drive and I'll stop the video. I don't know why, but it stops on this